Hello, this is my brunch for today. Pinakbet with Gigi. Pinoy food. Sarap. Kamayan to. Magkakamay ako. Dahil Ilocano dish ang aking brunch. Yummy na naman. Another Pinoy food. Bagong luto, mainit-init pa siya. OMG. This is one of my favorite. Halos lahat naman ng Pinoy food favorite ko. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Sarap. Kamayan. Kain tayo.